Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this channel we talk about affiliate marketing and all things making money online. Let's get the intro out of the way. In this video, I'm going to show you where the best places to promote your affiliate links using both paid and free methods. So you have to remember, you're an affiliate marketer, you are not a spammer. You are not going to go into every single Facebook group and just paste a link and hope something happens. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. So this is the affiliate marketer and this is the spammer. Don't be the spammer. Now before I go and talk about where to post your affiliate links, the first thing we need to actually talk about is what is an affiliate link. You probably already have an idea of what an affiliate link is. An affiliate link is essentially a unique link that is given to you by the affiliate vendor, so the person that owns the product. And whatever you're doing as the affiliate, whether you're going chasing conversions or leads, so whatever action you're chasing, that unique affiliate link is linked to your affiliate ID, and it accredits any action that is taken from your link being clicked and whatever the objective of a campaign is. That is essentially what an affiliate link. Alright, so now that you know what an affiliate link is, I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking that, oh, I can just post it now on Facebook groups, on my Facebook profile, on my Instagram, on my TikTok. I can post them on any of the social medias. No, you also need to understand the second part of this, and that is search intent is key. So what is search intent? Search intent is basically the intention to buy. You have a higher chance of conversion or higher chance of getting your desired outcome, which is a conversion or a lead, if the traffic that you're sending that affiliate product to has high search intent. So you have to think of it this way. Affiliate marketing is essentially a numbers game. The more traffic or the more numbers you can drive, the more conversions you can get. You increase your chances of getting higher conversions if the search intent is high, but that doesn't mean that if you have low search intent but high actual quantity of numbers, quantity of traffic, so that you won't make the same or even more money. If you look at this entertainer's Instagram account, this person has a lot of Instagram followers, but if we take a look at the type of followers that are on there, they are more passive followers. Those followers, they don't have high search intent because they were there to be passively scrolling for entertainment, for laughs. Alright, so a good example of this is a comedian's Instagram account versus a dog niche account, for example. So that the search intent is higher with a dog's niche account versus a comedian's Instagram account. So the comedian will probably have more followers because people generally want to be entertained. They generally want to be laughing all the time when they go onto social media. They want to be social. They want to get entertained, right? They want to consume the entertainment, but they're not looking to buy. Where in the dog niche accounts, they might not necessarily be looking to buy, but they're very interested in dogs. So if you have a product that might interest them specifically to dogs, then your conversion rate with a dog account will be much higher than the comedian's conversion rate if he tried to promote any type of product, because comedy is so broad. So the followers that he attracts don't have high search intent. Alright, so the best place for the highest search intent are the actual search engines. So that's going to be Google and that's going to be YouTube. So again, this is both paid and free. With paid methods, you want to be doing YouTube ads and you want to be doing Google ads, and both in the search format. So on YouTube ads, you're able to target the specific search terms. So again, people are searching for how to do this or how to create this. So you will target that search term, and that's exactly what they will get with the ads. Same thing for a free account. If you have a free account, a free YouTube channel where you're driving traffic, again, that niche element of it will increase the search intent. Alright, so the same goes for Google. Google for me is one of my favorite traffic sources for high search intent, because for both the paid method and also the free method, there's high search intent. So let's say you're running Google ads, and this is for the paid side. If you're running Google ads to a search term, so let's say get response free trial. So the people searching for get response free trial, they already have the intent most likely to get a free trial of get response, and once they're in it, then they might stay, and that's where the commissions come in. That's high search intent. You running ads to a search term that people already, you're putting something in front of them that they really want. Okay, they're searching for the get response free trial, and you're giving them the get response free trial, and then they're more likely to buy. Same goes for Google for the free methods, where let's say you have a blog. So again, people are looking for get response review. You have a blog, it's already on Google. If you do your SEO right, then it does rank up further and further up the rankings to show on the first page, but you need to get your SEO right. So essentially, that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about high search intent, both on Google and both on YouTube. So I also promote products using blogs. I also promote products using reviews of certain products, and then I drive traffic to those products. But I also have them on the internet, which means that when you're searching for these items, my blog will actually show up on Google. So I use ClickFunnels to create these blogs, and ClickFunnels is a paid software, a paid funnel builder. But if you don't want to be using ClickFunnels, you don't want to be using Builderall, you don't want to pay immediately if you're starting out to create these blogs, you can use this software called Systemio. So I do have a link in my description. It is my affiliate link. You can use the software called Systemio to create your blogs, to create your reviews, where you're going to put all your affiliate links in there and just wait for people searching for those items. You obviously need to do some keyword research to make sure that the reviews and the blogs that you're posting are actually being searched for, so people can actually find them, and then there's more traffic coming to them. That's Systemio. Essentially has free trial. If you take a look at over here, so I have my phone over here. Okay, so you get 2,000 contacts, you get 3 sales funnels that you're able to do, 10 sales funnel steps, you're able to do 1 blog, there's 1 course that's available that you're able to consume, automation workflows, tags, 1 email campaign. So all of this is for free. And then of course, as you increase the number of items that you want to do, you pay a bit more, but the price points are still very low. You'd have to have a look, and that's the best way, that's the freest way to actually get started with these blogs. So just to close off this area on search intent, Google and YouTube are the best places for search intent. These are the biggest search engines in the world. You can also go as far as going to Bing, Yahoo, but as long as it's a search engine and you're driving traffic to these search engines, there's high search intent. Alright guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. We are looking for the HBO special, help a brother out. Come on, we're trying to grow the channel. Let's go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Alright, so now that you know the theory about affiliate links and more or less what you should be thinking about when you're posting these affiliate links, let's actually talk about where to post the affiliate links. In any place that you're going to be posting a link, just always remember, you need to lead with value. I'm not going to click on your link if you just put a link in there or just spam me with a link. We see links everywhere over the internet. You are a person, the person at the end of that link is a human, and you've also experienced it. Everyone's experienced it. We see links being spammed everywhere. We're not going to click it. But if you get some value up front and I can see that, okay, this is actually helping me out, then I'm more likely to click on that link. So always lead with value and always be niche down. So wherever that link is being posted, it needs to be specific, it needs to be relevant, and then that will increase the likelihood of that link being posted. So we already touched earlier on Google and YouTube as places to promote your links, so we're not going to talk about those again. But another place is also social media platforms. So that would be your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as LinkedIn to a certain extent. But any social media platform, you're able to post your affiliate links. It doesn't always have to be social media platforms. It can even be places like forums. So just think outside the box. Anywhere where there's people, whether it's forums, whether it's review sites, whether it's anywhere where someone's asking a question, where there's you have the answer to that question by virtue of an affiliate product, try see what you can do. Try see if you can give them some value, upfront value, and then give them the link to like, hey, you're looking for this, here is another way. Also Twitter, there's so many places that you can promote your affiliate link, but you need to have the right mindset when you're posting that affiliate link. So I'm going to give you an example with social media. Let's say TikTok. If I take my TikTok account, it's currently sitting on about 56,000 followers, right? So whenever I drive traffic to my TikTok account, my niche is making money online. So I drive traffic to my TikTok account and people click on this link and they go straight to the product that I'm promoting, which is Legendary Marketer, and that's how I drive traffic using social media. The intent is higher because people are already interested in learning how to make money online, and it's niche down. So Depending on whether you're doing a faceless account or where you're showing your face, it doesn't really matter, but it needs to be niched down and you need to create the intent. Alright guys, so that's essentially where you're going to be promoting your affiliate links. Remember, the key is search intent and don't be a spammer. You're an affiliate marketer, you're a digital marketer, you are not a spammer. So don't be spamming your links all over the internet because you're going to go nowhere. It's going to deflate you. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Till next time, take care, stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye guys.